is my birthday today. I am 8 years old. Dad! Wake up! It is my special day!
Happy birthday, sweetheart. Sit down and eat first.
Where are my presents? I want to open them now!
Ben, sit down. Breakfast first, presents later.
Ben, you look so silly right now. Nobody tells me what to do. It is my birthday. I will pour my own juice.
Ben! Look at this mess. The whole floor is wet.
Enough, Ben! Clean this mess right now!
No! Not my good towel. Use the old rag, Ben.
Use this one. Let me help you. I don't need your help. Leave me alone, Ruby.
Stop it, Ben. Being the birthday boy does not mean being rude.
This is your last warning. One more problem and no party today.
I want to put the balloons up. Let me do it.
No climbing, Ben. I will hang them. You are too small.
I can do it myself. I am big enough now. Ben! Get down right now! You will fall!
My beautiful vase! Ben, I cannot believe this!
What did I just say? No climbing! Are you hurt?
I am sorry, Dad. My elbow hurts a little.
You are lucky you did not break your arm, Ben.
I will clean it up, Mom. Be careful of the sharp pieces.
Here is the cake. Nobody touch it until the party starts.
This cake is so delicious. I want more.
Do not touch the cake, Ben. It is for the party.
Come in. Welcome to my birthday party, everyone. This is the best party ever. Let us play.
Okay, everyone. It is time to cut the birthday cake.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ben. Make a wish. I want to cut my own cake. I am big enough.
No, Ben. The knife is very sharp. Only adults cut the cake.
It is my birthday! My birthday! My cake! I should cut it. Ben, stop! The cake is moving! Watch out! No! The cake! What have I done? The cake. It is on the floor. The whole cake is gone.
I spent the whole morning making that cake, Ben. The whole morning.
This is what happens when you cannot control your anger, Ben.
I did not mean to do that. I am so sorry. I ruined everything.
This is the last cake we have, but you cannot eat any, Ben. This is for your friends only.
Here, Ben, you can have a tiny piece of mine. Thank you, Ruby. I do not deserve this. I was so stupid.
Anger breaks things, Ben. The cake is gone. You cannot fix it. Remember this feeling.
Everyone is playing outside, but I do not feel like playing.
What a mess. We need to clean everything before the kids leave.
Let me put this stuff away. Almost done here.
What is that shiny thing on the table? Nobody is watching. Let me just look at it. It is so small and cool. Just one tiny click. Wow! Fire is so bright. I look like a wizard. I wonder what happens if I bring it close to this paper. No! No! What happened? Help! Fire! Mom! Dad! The table is burning! Everyone move back! Stay away from the fire! Go outside now!
Oh no! Get away from that table right now! Get the kids out! Lily, open the windows, now!
Outside, everyone! Quickly! Move, move, move! Move, move, move!
You could have burned our house down, Ben. Do you understand that?
I am so sorry, Dad. I just wanted to see the fire.
Okay, everyone, come back inside. It is time to open the presents.
Yes! Yes, presents! This is the part I have been waiting for all day. A robot! This is the best toy ever! I love it so much! Look at this! He can walk and talk. So cool! Can I try the robot, Ben? Just for 1 minute, please? Do not touch it! This is mine! Get your own! I said do not touch it! Ow! That hurts! You pushed me! My elbow is bleeding!
Your son pushed my child. Look, Tom is bleeding. This is not okay. I am so sorry. Ben, come here right now.
You hurt your friend on your birthday. How does that feel?
I feel terrible, Dad. I did not mean to hurt him. I am very sorry, Dad. I will give Tom my robot right now. The party is almost over. At least I have my red balloon. Ben, you are being very good now. I am happy to see that. I learned my lesson today, Ruby. No more trouble. My balloon! It is flying away! Come back! I can catch it! Just a little bit more. Ugh! Almost there! Ben, stop! Do not go on the road! Stop! I see it! The balloon is right there! I can get it!
Come here! Right now! Oh my god! Oh my god! Are you okay? Are you okay?
My baby! Oh my god! Ben, are you okay?
I told him to stop. He did not listen to me.
You almost died, Ben. Do you understand? You almost died. For a balloon.
I am sorry, Daddy. I did not see the car. I was so scared.
Let us go inside. The party is over. Everyone, please go home.
I am never letting you out of my sight again, Ben. Never.
Is Ben gonna be okay, Mom?
He will be okay, Ruby. He learned a very big lesson today.
I ruined my own birthday. I ruined everything. You made mistakes. But tomorrow you can be better. Come on. Mom, Dad, I am really sorry. I broke every rule today.
But rules keep you safe and alive.
Rule 1. Listen to your parents. Rule 2. Never eat too much. Rule 3. Never play with fire. Rule 4. Share your toys. Never push friends. Rule 5. Never run into the street. Follow the rules and stay safe, everyone. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Talki, go!